A very good morning. You probably wonder what I have for you today, and today I just want to show you how to calibrate for espresso on a FaemaE machine E98. First, I would love us to pour a double shot of espresso, and that is starting by tearing the weight of our porter. Then pull our shot. You can see it's exactly 19 grams. So we shall come on our machine, flush a little bit, hold and press the water button for like 5 to 7 seconds until all the 4 buttons start to blink. Here we are. Release and insert your double shot of espresso. We shall then bring our cup. What we are calibrating for is the double shot. So we shall place and hold. Observe until you achieve the desired 38 milliliters. It is 38 because I intend to use a ratio of 1 to 2. So remember, my dosage for espresso grind was 19, so I look forward to 38. So after you have achieved 38, you release and then place enter.